Tonight's the night I finally ask Lena out. Be normal today, Bean, please. Chaos is scheduled. All right, I'm on my way. Feeling good. Why today? Okay, the Uber's almost here.
No pets.
I hate my life. Gotta run, I'm late! Whoa! My shirt, seriously?
Character development. Can you help me cross the street?
I'm late! Bro, I got you. I can fix your look. I smell like a gas station. Okay, food will save this. That was $12! If I survive this, I'm getting married! This is it. No more mistakes. You look interesting.
I can explain everything.
Don't you... Bean, no, stop!
Best date ever.
He's getting away!
Let's go get him!
I'm right behind you!